Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Discord, how to find server ID, channel ID and user ID. Click User Settings. Click Appearance. Turn on Developer Mode. Select your server name. Right-click your server name. Click Copy ID, to get server ID. Right-click your channel name. Click Copy ID to get your channel ID. Right-click your name. Click Copy ID to get user ID. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.